Jeff here once again with this Kasumi utility knife, titanium. I'm digging it, and I thought I would bring the camera down a little bit and get up close on this apple and show you some microscopic slices. We're going to cut this thing like if it was a razor blade, and we're going to oh, listen to that. We're going to do some paper slices here. So yeah, this knife's slightly flexible, and people don't get how sharp it is. Look at that. Wow, I can see right through that slice. Pretty cool. Pretty thin. Yeah. Now, can your knife do that? Let's do one more. Oh, that's pretty thin, that slice right there. I kind of like how it sticks to the knife. Very cool. Okay. Let's try one more. Yeah. You can see the little microscopic spots or cells of the apple. That's a pretty sharp knife. So yeah, for all of you people out there wondering, can my knife do this? Well, try it. This is a titanium knife made in Sekai City, Japan. Yeah, look at that beauty. So the reason I want to show you these is I use these in a lot of my videos, and not everybody understands this knife. First of all, very ergonomic. Feels awesome in my hand. Will feel awesome in your hand. Very sharp, very quick, very light, and wow, it's a beautiful cutting instrument. So if we go on and I tell you some of the benefits and properties of titanium, it'll blow your mind. Here we go. Number one, naturally corrosion proof. Number two, most any environment, this knife's non-reactive. It's non-toxic, super hygienic, chemical resistant, acid resistant, abrasion resistant, non-allergenic, odorless. Oh, it goes on and on. So there's a lot of things about the knife that I like. The main thing is the weight and the size and the feel. It's perfect for people with smaller hands. I got big hands, but it works for me too. So it's a really cool knife. Anybody could pick this up and use it. I would give this to a child who wants to learn how to cook. Obviously, get them the cut-proof glove, and then you're adding a level of safety, and get them cooking. Something simple like an apple. Knife plus apple. And the kid makes his first cut, and you go, wow, that knife really cuts that apple. And then you show him another cut and say, okay, divide it in half. Wow, 1 plus 1. Okay, and then take those halves, and now you've got 4. But the thing is, they're perfect pieces. Yeah. This. And then, wow, this kid's finally cooking something, and you've taught him something just from a simple apple because you've got a really good knife, okay? You're not going to do something like this with the garbage, the mass marketed garbage. Trust me, the quality is just... I think so. That's the whole review. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsor. Have a beautiful day and keep cooking. Yeah. Like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Have a beautiful day.